Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question we are being given the picture or diagram of a cross-sectional view of a peripheral nerve using different powers, which is 40x and 400x, and we have to locate the following structures like epineurium, perineurium, fascicles, endoneurium. If possible, Schwann cells, myelin sheath, and axon as well. These round structures, whether they are big or small, these round structures, they all represent the nerve fascicles. And regarding the epineurium, which represents a connective tissue which surrounds each fascicle. So the tissue which surrounds these fascicles is known as epineurium. Sorry, not epineurium, perineurium. Now, regarding the epineurium, it is the connective tissue which surrounds the entire nerve, which is this, for example, this layer round, it represents the epineurium. Now, coming to the high power resolution of the same peripheral nerve, here we can see that this represents here, it represents the intrafascicular perineum. While this represents the endoneurium, which is the outer layer, as we know that the outer layer represents the perineurium, while the layer inside it represents the endoneurium, which is visible only in high power resolution. And these individuals here, these individuals, they represent the nerve fibers. Another question regarding these diagrams is that are cell bodies and nuclei of any neurons, nerve cells visible on this in this picture? Why or why not? The cell bodies and nuclei of neurons are not visible in this picture or diagram of the peripheral nerve. This is because peripheral nerves primarily consist of axons and their supporting structures, while the cell bodies are typically located in the central nervous system or in ganglia outside central nervous system. Another question also is, where in the body would motor neuron cell bodies be located for motor neurons that stimulate skeletal muscle cells? The motor neuron cell bodies that stimulate skeletal muscle cells that are located in the spinal cord, specifically in the ventral, or we can say anterior horn of the gray matter. And these motor neurons are called as alpha motor neurons, and their axons exit the spinal cord through ventral root to form peripheral nerves that innervate skeletal muscle. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.